Cowboys inside field goal range. Prescott trying to get loose. Flag is down. There's Bryant inside the 5. And this flag is against Washington, it appears, in their secondary.
Prior to the pass, holding defense number 47. That penalty declined. The result of the play is a first down.
Well, this time the Redskins put a spy on Dak Prescott. He starts to come and then he pulls out, and his eyes are just locked on Prescott. It was Sua Cravens that was doing that. Good one to have in that role, but Prescott, as he has all season long, he shows his poise and he throws a perfect ball.
Ball just inside the 2. They want Zeke. They've got him. Touchdown, Dallas.
They got Keith Smith, the fullback. He helps lead the way, and then it's one-on-one in the hole. And Will Compton